Yo, 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 what is up, everybody? If I haven't already, congratulations. And I just want to make this video to show you an excellent way to get a couple of credit repair clients really, really quick. So let's hop over to my handy dandy notepad over here. And let's get this party started. This is not going to be too much of a long video, but I'm going to try to get straight to the point and just drop a couple of knowledge bombs on you guys. Call this the tagging method. So let's, once again, getting back to my terrible handwriting. So what this method really means is that it's just a networking strategy to really put your brand out there, to really just launch, well, not necessarily launch, but really to get your brand out there, get a bunch of awareness out there, and get everybody knowing that you do credit repair. Yo, Blade, what do I do? It's actually very simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make, first step one, you're gonna make a list. And you're gonna make a list of, let's do around, I would do 500, but let's do anywhere between 2 to 500 people. Now this could be anyone, friends, family. Look through your entire contact list in your phone. So we can do like, this is to friends, family, Facebook, friends. This is gonna be Insta, followers. And what you're pretty much gonna do is you're gonna make something like an Excel sheet. Name, contact way, like their number or their Facebook URL, whatever you want to do, copy and paste right in there. And then we're gonna do date contacted. You're gonna put their name, pretty much doesn't go. You're gonna make John 201, blah, 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 and contacted him on September 9th. And actually, I'll put one more, not that, guys, put one more side saying tag question mark. See if they tagged you. Pretty much, you're gonna be contacting everybody there. And there's gonna be two ways of doing this. So the first way is this: you contact everybody, and what you're gonna be doing is like, hey, I just started out my credit repair business, and I want to get some awareness on it. And do you mind tagging me in a post with some results that I got for one of my clients? I'll give you the exact post you can put on. Really, just copy and paste it, just like that. What I even recommend is if you're doing this on your phone, if you're texting people, there is an app. It's called Lazyboard. And let me show you this. Let me stop sharing here. Let me share my phone. Share on the phone. And what this app Lazyboard allows you to do is, so I'm over here, you can have sections specific for mortgage brokers. It's just pre-filled messages that you can use for people that you can do. And this just really helps to simplify things, make everything really, really quick. So like, for example, if I'm texting somebody, let me give you an example. This random guy called me, go here. Can you see my messages? Hold up, it's like lagging. Can you see my messages? Let's see. Maybe if I go to, oh, there, cool. It's right here. You click on, my switch lag, there's all these messages, okay? Click on this. What I'm talking about is this little world icon on the bottom left, takes it over to here, and you can pull up whatever you have, you know? You can put up, give me a call, just call, stuff like that, just to make it pretty much easier. Just to make it look a little easier, just have pre-filled messages in order to send these guys some messages. Right, my phone's blowing up. So that's the first method, contact everybody. Now, and I'll write the scripts down below that you can send people in the little description, and return the shit, right? Whatever. That's the first method, and I'll put the scripts on there. Let me see. I just sent them over to my buddy, but so I'll put that in the description below. The next method is, so we talked about providing value. We talked about providing value in groups. The second method is groups. Provide value. So in the group, what you could post is, hey, I just started my credit repair business. So I just started my credit repair business, looking for a couple of customers. And what I'm willing to do is I'm willing to discount prices for my first 10 customers that provide me with a testimonial. So discount, D-I-S-C-O-U-N-T. It's terrible. Discount your prices in groups. That's a great, attractive thing to do in groups. So this is pretty much the two things that you need to do. Let me pull up one of my scripts that I have over here as an example. That's my closing script. So how this actual script will go is, I have my buddy text me. My good buddies always talk. So what I would do is, this is the exact thing that you would be sending to people. Over a word, so I can show you. So this is the one you'll be sending to people. Blake is the man. You have less than perfect credit score and want to increase. I have a connection to legally erase all negative items, blah, 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 blah. Comment info, amazing results. And specifically have them make sure they tag you. Very important. This way you get notifications. Another thing is, so this is a little script that I'll also include on there as well. Actually, no, I'll just send that to you guys. And what you're gonna want to do is, you're obviously should, well, obviously, you're also going to want to tell them that, hey, listen, people like when they see results. So I would just put a picture of some of your results that you might have. Like something, for example, this was a good picture as well, just to show that you can actually drive results. That's what I'm trying to say. So guys, in a nutshell, that's really about it. So the tagging method, contact everybody you know. Okay, everybody, make a list, 200, 500 people, and send them this with a screenshot of what you have, the results that you provide them. Biggest thing, that will get you your first couple of clients within the first couple of days. Okay, because referrals are the easiest clients to close. In your closing script, I have one, I'll put in the description below. And then from there, guys, I mean, you're on your way to greatness. Get the fundamentals done, a bunch of other videos on that. But thank you guys for watching. Any questions, comment down below. Talk to y'all later.